Hey everyone, it's Derek from HobbyBoxBreakers.com here again for the second break of the night, 2011 Panini Crown Royal. There's everyone. Now this one only has 24 cards in it, so some people are not going to get something. Now you can either take some consolation cards, which I'll dig through my collection and try to find something, appropriate to what you paid, or I will refund your shipping if you want, in the form of a store credit on HobbyBoxBreakers.com. You just have to sign up for the site, let me know your name, and we can do it that way if you want to get in on another break. It'll either be $3 or $2 depending on if you bought one team or more than one and you just missed a team. But anyway, here we go. First pack. Josh Freeman. I'm not sure if these are numbered. Yeah. Josh Freeman, 32 out of 100. Living legend, Billy Houghton of the Packers. Rookie, Stephen Burton of the Vikings. Royalty, Jan Stenerud, punter for the Chiefs. Colt McCoy. And then the first hit is Brandon Harris, rookie. Appears to be a safety or a D-back of some sort. Cornerback, yeah. That's numbered 292 out of 499. LaShawn McCoy. Those are base. I need to sort this better, but that's okay. Torrey Smith, rookie royalty. Scotty McKnight, rookie. Brian Urlacher, Kings of the NFL, and Mark Sanchez. And the hit is Torrey Smith. And that is number 225 out of 299. Find the jersey here, or the show that last. Majestic insert, Peyton Hillis. Crown Jewel rookie, Vincent Brown. That's not numbered. Jaquiz Rogers, the Falcons. The Zone, Antonio Gates and Pierre Garcon. And the hit here is Ricky Stanzi autograph for the Chiefs. That's number 68 out of 299. Well, that dummy card means it should be a auto. Philip Rivers, I guess I'm an idiot. Steve Smith, Raheem Moore, All-Pro Billy Cundiff. That's a kicker and a punter. I don't see much of that. And Matt Ryan from the Falcons. And the last hit is Corey Liuget. I think he's a D-tackle. Yep, for the Chargers. So 3 autos, not too bad. Brandon Harris, Torrey Smith, Ricky Stanzi, and Corey Liuget.